Pardon me. In Terminator here, thinking about my vacation. I just can't make up my mind where I want to go. Kind of thinking about Hawaii. You know, it's got them black sand beaches, them palm trees with the coconuts hanging down. Got them hula girls with them coconuts. I hear they cook spam 1,000 different ways over there. And of course, it got them volcanoes. There's Mauna Loa and Kilauea, and it's still on fire. Toast me some marshmallows. But I'm kind of favoring Australia too. Got all them funny kind of animals what have pouches on them. The marsupials, them kangaroos and wallabies, koala bears. And they got this really weird bird over there. It's like made of parts of all different kind of animals. What is it they call that thing? Let's see, it's a platypus. Just a minute, I gotta get this. Hello? Oh, hi, honey. Yeah, you sound excited. You got a new pet. An owl. What do you feed your owl? Mice? Where do you get mice at? You're raising mice? Well, what do you want an owl for? Well, I think that's a parrot. What you can teach to talk. It already knows a word? Who? Well, what about your little kitty? You gave it a bath in the washing machine? I bet it got really long during the spin cycle. Now, don't start crying. I'm just joking with you.